What is this? This looks freaking crazy. It's an alligator clip, okay? An alligator clip. And you're probably saying, what the heck is that? Well, first of all, I now sell my own clips here at shop.thesalonguy.com. So they come in a 6-pack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, a 6-pack of these clips, all right? They're basically hair clips. And hair clips are things that have been used for a long time by professionals, right? What we use these to section off the hair. So if you are somebody who, yes, if you're a professional, I have hair clips. You can get them. They're awesome. If you are someone who's not a professional and you've never used these before or seen anything like this, then I would suggest getting them. And why do I suggest them? What do they do? Well, first of all, if you're not familiar with really manipulating hair, working through the hair, you know, moving hair around, and especially if you're cutting hair at home for family or whatever it is, you know, you're probably very unorganized sometimes. You may get lost while you're cutting hair, and that's where hair clips, what they do is they help keep you organized during whatever you are doing, okay? So the other benefit to it is that you can use this as kind of like a ruler or something that separates or sections the hair. So watch this. I'm gonna take that and separate it, and look, I have a perfectly clean section, and guess what? I just clipped it out of the way, all right? Let's say, oh, that's great, Salon Guy, but what about the rest of the head? Well, that's where you use other clips. That's why more clips come in handy. So what you're doing now is you're creating a section throughout the entire hair, and there you go. Now, why is this so important? A lot of times, and I've seen this done by professionals, you know, you may go in and get an undercut or something extreme, and I have seen the most uneven, botched up partings to the point where the hair, it's an absolute crime scene, okay? To where it looks like this, all right? Tell me if you have a haircut that's like this and you even notice. I'm gonna try to make it, okay. So look, there it is right there. Let's just say you have an undercut. Okay? You have an undercut haircut. And all of this is shaved. Do you see that? Imagine if you get a haircut and your hair is like this and you have uneven parts. Let's just even do it even more. Uneven parts like this. All this is what's on top. All this is tied up, and this is the undercut shave part. Do you know how awful that is? What happens is, in order to grow this back, to get to this length, you literally have to perform surgery where you take this, create an even parting, even section, and let all this grow back evenly. And as those uneven parts grow out, you have to constantly clip them out of the hair. And I'm sorry, I almost feel like crying. It pains me to see, and I've experienced this, I can't even tell you how many times in my career, when someone comes into me, and they've been going to a barber or going to someone, and they come in with the most uneven sectioning when it comes to their haircuts, and I'll say, well, no wonder your hair's not laying properly. Like, do you even know what your hair looks like? And they'll come in with something like this. I'm like, do you realize? And I'll show them in a mirror, and I'll say, all of this is shaved. Like, it's not even even. So, oh God, and it happens all the time. I see it in photographs. I see it in this and that. Guys are going in with all their hair tied up and their sectioning is like awful. So, please, for the love of God, invest in these. They're so inexpensive. Invest in hair clips, especially if you're cutting your own hair. This is nothing new, but if you're cutting your own hair yourself at home or for someone else, sectioning is so important, and it really, really could affect how your hair, okay, is laying, how it's performing, especially, and that's why, like I just showed you, okay, look at that, a nice clean section right there. You can achieve that simply by using the bottom clip right here and literally draw a straight line, grab that hair and clip it out of the way, and we've got a nice clean section right in through here, okay? Nice clean section. If you're trying to do haircuts where you're parting your own hair, you want to create a line in your hair, whatever it is you want to do, you need to section the hair. So go to my website, use code YouTube20, that's 20% off. And these clips are like, I think they're $12, I don't even know. They're not even that expensive. Get yourself some clips. There's 6 of them in this pack. Use clips when you are cutting your hair at home if you're doing it for somebody else, because there's way too many hair sectioning massacres out there. So, and also let me know in the comments below if you've experienced this and the best way to go about fixing it. I hate to say it, and there's only one way, is you have to let that hair grow out, or else you're gonna have uneven hair and uneven sectioning and shave parts for the rest of until like it all grows out. Hate to say it. Let me know if you've experienced that, if you have it going on right now, if you've had it done and you're like, wait, what did you just do to my hair? Like, moment, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.